second detail is on line 44 to 45. We have never known any man could be placed in such a completely opposite position to the goal of his desires as I was at this moment. What I think about this detail is he didn't want to go to the South Pole, so he was really upset. And on line 45 to 46, the North Pole, well, yes, the North Pole itself has attracted me from childhood, and here I was at the South Pole. What I think about detail 3 is, I think that this detail explains how the North Pole had been more attractive to me. And I connect these details because Roald Amundsen had been upset he wasn't in the North Pole because that's where he wanted to be from childhood.
You said that you didn't want to go to the South Pole, but you did. You wanted to be the first one there.
He wanted to go to the North Pole.
Yes, but he also wanted to be the first one in the South Pole.
Where does that say it?
No, you said that he never wanted to go to the South Pole.
No, that's not what I said. I said he wanted to go to the North Pole.
But I don't know.
So are you saying that you don't agree with his answer that Roald Amundsen was upset when he discovered the South Pole?
No, he said Roald Amundsen never wanted to go to the South Pole. No, he wanted to go to the North Pole. But he also wanted to be the first one in the South.
I think, Mike, what you're saying is that he originally wanted to go to the North Pole, so the South Pole was like a second place option. So he did want to go there, but not as much, right? It wasn't like his first choice.
Yeah. Evan?
Why did the North Pole attracted him from childhood?
It doesn't say that.
So it's a discussion, right? So if you're not sure, or you want to call in somebody else, or maybe see if someone else can help you out, you can do that, right? Let's use ours.
Like, for what Kevin said, like, Kevin said he had attracted me from childhood, like, I think that it was his goal to be able to go to the North Pole.
I like the same text, so when I was asked that yesterday, I didn't know what to say either. So when after I went home and I did some research, like in the text, and I got exactly what I was said, like how it was his goal to use the North Pole.
Any more questions?
Are there any other texts that we can find the answer to the question to? Like from you guys, and you don't have to look back, but just maybe even remember back. Are there any of the other texts where they mention Roald Amundsen's goal of reaching the North Pole? Is there any connection to any of the other texts in the unit that we can make? Besides just what about the video? Okay, so that kind of answers the question, right? Was that it was? I believe they said like the prize had already been taken,
Yeah.
right? Something like that. Yeah. So that has something to do with it too, right? It was like he wanted to be the winner.
I'm going to text Dave and the question is, how did Robert
come they didn't know like ahead of time before they like went to the North Pole? Like, I mean the
South
South
Pole.
Pole. The North Pole. To the North Pole. I mean like
South
before they went to the pole, it's North or South. Like how come they didn't know that they walked away ahead of time?
Because in the video, Ronald Amundsen had like a head start before Robert. Did the tracks that Robert EP left when anybody got to like help them or it like did the tracks help them to get to the flag or that could have been like an idea that they would have lost the race? It doesn't say how that photo to there, but it says that that's how they found out they lost the race. Anyway, question 7. Maybe I get this is like one of the reasons why one of the three died because of like they were so like angry and because that they lost and they thought on the way to Cyclone and that they were not the first person to. Yeah, because in text 9 it says that because they were so depressed because of that they lost, they were trying to get home and then they just did it. Any more questions?
Is there evidence in the text for that?
Yeah.
To support the idea that they just kind of gave up and that was part of the reason why they lost the race to the pole after they found out?
Like,
I'm sorry, part of the reason why they died after they found out they lost.
like boats, he couldn't go on, and that's why he walked into the blizzard, and that was round 2 to that was part of 1, and then
They lost me. Anyone else? What's that?
he's talking about
Oh, in text 9. Okay, so does everybody see that? She's talking about text 9. She's saying that the evidence for that is in text 9. Okay.
and Carla too. Any more questions?
So I did text 9, and my question is, what evidence was that Scott was going to die? The first detail was lines 31 to 32. We had more rain than drift from ahead yesterday. Had to step my canoeing. Boys were 35 degrees. No human being could face it. What I think about the detail is explains how the weather has really was down and how they could have handled it. My second detail was on line 36. My right foot was gone, nearly all the toes. 2 days ago, I was proud possessor of best feet. These are the steps of my downfall. This detail explains how the weather is giving them frostbite and it's killing them. Detail 3, line 65. I do not think we can hope for any better things now. This detail explains how they stopped trying and that they didn't have any more hope. Any questions?
Where was that detail?
Line 65,
64.
64. No questions?
Can anyone add to this point there, that other evidence that shows that Scott is going to die?
on line 65, we shall stick it out to the end, but we're all getting weaker, of course, and the end cannot be far.
Paragraph 4 at the beginning says I can only write at lunch and then only occasionally. The cold is intense 90 to 40 at midnight. And that kind of mentioned, like, kind of showed that he was getting weaker and that maybe he would die soon because of the temperature. So.
There's a line 65 that says, we are getting weaker, of course, and at the end cannot be far.
Who said that?
Matthew.
Matthew.
Paragraph 13, line 780, send this diary to my widow, and the word wife has been struck out, and the word widow written in.
But that doesn't connect to my end question. Oh, never mind, it does.
I don't know if it shows that he knew he was gonna die, which is not exactly our question, but, right, it just shows that he was. It can and, yeah, it can and can't go, it can go and not go.
Was your question about like how he was gonna die?
Huh?
Was your question about how he was gonna die?
Yes,
No,
you
my
can do
question was, what evidence shows that he was going to die?